In this video, I will show you how to do a purchase order with prepayment. First, you go to account receivable, payable, and or purchase order. You create a new purchase order and select the vendor and select the warehouse. And then you make sure the address is correct. Okay. If not, you have to use the add button right here to enter the correct ship to address. And the purchase type you have to be purchase order. And enter the item. I just select the second item right here. And let's say you order four of them, okay? And $100 each. Make it uh, and go to purchase, and you have to confirm the order, okay? Okay. This this is the prepayment. You have to first go to prepayment right here. This prepayment for PO number 127. I just and then there's a two methods right here. One is the fixed dollar amount, and one is the percentage. So let's assume that we have to pay 100%, okay, in advance. So just say 100%. So you have to pay $400, and then you have to select the right category to for the prepayment, right? Depend on what the PO belong to. So this is all of this is preset by the I think the functional consultant who help you to implement the system. Okay, you don't need to like do all this, but because you are the end user. Okay, you can remove the prepayment if you make mistake and then redo it if you want. But in this case, I just say there's no mistake. Okay, you don't have anything to change. So go to invoice, and you can see the prepayment invoice right here. You just select the prepayment invoice, and then you have to enter the invoice number. Prepayment invoice, right, and then you have to post it. Okay. And now the next step is you go to at below the purchase order. There's an open prepayment. So this one haven't processed yet. They have prepayment $400, and then the unpay is for $400. So you have to pay for this amount. Okay. So you can use the link from hit the new, and then there's a link to the vendor payment. So in here you can generate a vendor payment. Okay. Make sure you select the account number correctly. And then in this case, you have to select the invoice you generate, right? The prepayment invoice. So you go to settle transaction, and this is $400, right? Just select the $400. So I find out that it's better to do the settle transaction instead of payment proposal because this is quicker and is if you know which invoice to pick, this is the better way. Okay, better way to do it. And now your description, you can say a prepayment or whatever makes sense to you. Okay. PO one, I think 127. It's okay if I'm wrong, but I think 127. Um, okay, on this one it's very important. The payment status, you can see none, right? the check number you don't know yet because it will generate by the after you generate payment. So this one you don't want to leave it the way it is. No, you don't want to pick anything right here, but see the generate payment by check, and then you make sure the account is offset, bank account is correct, and say okay. See, this is you can enter the check number, right? This is the default, but you can enter whatever check number, maybe 196, or, but sometimes you repeat it or something like that, so you don't want to pick the one that already. And a number of blank check, right? If you put zero, the next check will be 799, and if you put one, the next check will be 800. Okay, uh, so, so you skip depend on the number of blank check you put, but in this case, just put zero. So this one, the check right here is 798, right? We changed it to 798, so it look okay. And then after that, you have to post it, okay? And now you go back to the open prepayment. You can see that change, right? They change from before zero, right? And then the amount is moved over here to unpost pay amount. So this amount is ready to you for to apply to the invoice on the PO. Okay. So everything look good, and then the purchase order is 127. Okay. You can link to the purchase order 127, and now you can you have to receive the item, right? Now you go back like the normal procedure, receive the item, and then part of receipt, and make sure you enter the sum. And now the final step is invoice, right? Like before, remember you just do like before, okay, invoice. But this one they know that you have the prepayment, okay. See, you see the message right here. But this message you don't want to do right away, okay? Don't apply right away. That's I find out that's a create more confusing. You just go to mass product, just like user, okay? So this is file, corner file, say okay. Oh, the packing list, sorry. The mass product. And then you update the mass product, and then it's passed, right? So it's okay. And then now you apply the pay payment, okay? And then you select the pay payment right here, $400, and then you apply the pay payment. And now after you apply, you can see they deduct $400 from here, okay? So they apply the pay payment $400, and the final invoice will be zero after I post the final invoice. Okay, so you are set. Okay, if you go back here, there are two different invoice. This one is the prepayment invoice uh, with $400 amount of $400, and then the second one is the final invoice, and this one has zero balance. Okay, because you apply the $400 on the prepayment to the invoice. You can see there is zero balance. Okay, so we're all good. So okay, hopefully this video helped you on the prepayment. Okay, thank you.